Alright, so today we're on Lesson 9. Lesson 9 deals with adding our decimals using place value strategies. Alright, so let's look at our first one. I have 2/10 plus 6/10. What would that look like? Well, for this, I'm going to model it, and I'm going to be using a model using dots. So here I have 2/10, and then this is going to be 6/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if I add those together, what will I get? Well, I have 2 dots plus 6 dots. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll notice that they're all still in my tenth spot. So this is going to equal 8/10. Alright, let's look at our next one. So we're resetting it. I'm just going to save this so I can reset a little easier. Okay, and now let's go to, we have 2 ones and 3 thousandths plus 6 ones and 1 thousandths. What's going to happen is I'm going to take this number, it's going to go on my first line. This number I'm going to model using this on my second line. So I have 2 ones, 1, 2, and 3 thousandths, 1, 2, 3. Here I have 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 thousandths. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to add up my same units. So here I have thousands, so I'm going to add them, and I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's 4 dots. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 ones, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm left with 8 ones and 4 thousandths. Alright, let's try another one. And I'm just going to change my dots so they're a little bit bigger. We have 2/10, 5 thousandths. This is with my unit form written out. And then plus 6 hundredths. Okay, so I'm going to model first. We have 2/10, so that's 1, 2. And I'll cross out just so I know that, and 5 thousandths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus my 6 hundredths. So that's going to be on the second line because it's my second number, and there's 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my like units. So I'm going to add all my thousands together. There's only 5, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 hundredths, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 tenths, 1, 2. Then when I put it all together, that's going to be 2 tenths, 6 hundredths, 5 thousandths, 265 thousandths. I can think of this setup using my place value chart as an addition problem. There's my plus, there's my line, this first row is my first number, the second row is my second number, and the last one is what do they equal. Notice how I'm adding the same units each time. It's just like when I have 10 plus 2, I'm adding the same units here. I add my 1s together for 2, and I add my 10s together for 1. It's just like in decimals, and I add my same units together. Alright, let's look at the next one that's a little different. I have 1.8, so 1 and 8/10 plus 13/10. So what I'm going to do is that first number is 1 whole and 8/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I have 13/10 for this second number. So on the second line I'm going to put 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And now I need to add them. So what I'm going to do is I have 1, 1. But remember, when I have 10 of one group, I can move it to the next column. It's like if I have 10 dimes, that can equal $1 bill. So I'm going to circle groups of 10 and move them over to the next spot. Well, here I have 8 plus 2, that's 10. So it's going to be moved over here. So I have another one. And then let's check. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's another group of 10 that I'm trading. So I have 3 ones, and there's this 1/10 left over. So my answer is going to be 3.1, or 3 1/10. Notice how when I regroup, I have to take 10 of them and move them to that next column. Alright, let's try another one. We have 100 800ths, so there's no and in there, so I'll write it out for us. 100 800ths. Notice how there's no and, so that means we have 108 in that box there. And we have 2 ones that we're adding. 2 ones and 4 hundredths. Alright, so that's going to be 2 ones and 4 hundredths. So let's look at this. This one's easy to model, this 2 ones. So that's going to be 1, 2. But now, what do I need to do with this problem? Well, the 4 is going to be easy too. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. But up here, what do I need to do? Well, I don't want to draw 108 little dots. So what I can do is I can regroup. I know that 10 of these equals 1/10. How many groups of 10 do I have? Well, I have 10 groups of 10 because I have 100. So that means I can have 10 over here. And now I have 8 hundredths. So I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 10th I can take and move to my ones. I can always take a group of 10 and move it to the next column over. Now I'm ready to add. I have 3 ones. Actually, let me continue with the dots. 1, 2, 3. And I have 4. That would be 8 if I go straight up, so I need to get 2 more. So they're going to move over to the next one. And then I have 2 dots left over. So my answer is 3 ones, 1/10, 2 hundredths for 3 and 12 hundredths. Alright, let's look at our next one. I have 148 thousandths plus 7 ones and 13 thousandths. Alright, so we have this same problem of I don't want to draw 148 dots here. So what can I do? I need to figure out how many groups of 10 I have. Well, this number I can rewrite as 140 plus 8. There's 14 groups in that 140. So I can bring that group of 10s over. And then I'm left with just 8 thousandths. Alright? Now let's do this bottom part. There's 7 ones, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 13 thousandths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I need to convert these to dots. There's 8, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 14 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, so now I'm ready to add. I'm going to take groups of 10. There's 8 here, so I need to get 2 more from this spot. There's a group of 10 here, so that's going to move over to my next place value. And let's check. Do I have another group of 10 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do. So I'm grabbing this group of 10 and it is being traded over here. There's one guy left over and there's 7 dots here. 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am left with 7 ones, 0.1, 2, 1, or 7 and 121 thousandths. Okay, let's go to our next problem. Here I have 74 hundredths plus 59 hundredths. So here I have a 7 in my tenths, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 4 in my hundredths, so 1, 2, 3, 4. For my next one, I have a 5 in my tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 9 in my hundredths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, what do I need to do now? Well, I'm just going to take groups of 10 and move them to the next spot. So here is 9 plus 1 is 10. Here I have 5 and 5. So that's going to move to the next one. Trading, and I have 2 dots left over, so that's 1, 2. So my answer is 1, 3, the decimal in the middle. I have 1 and 3 tenths. Now what do you see is missing here? I forgot to add these dots. So I need to add them down here, and you'll notice that that changes my answer. It's not 1 and 3 tenths, it's 1 and 33 hundredths. Don't forget after you do your trading to go back and check your work and see if you forgot any of those dots. Alright, let's take a look at our next one. I have 7 and 48 thousandths plus 5 and 196 thousandths. I have 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I have 48 or 4 hundredths, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 8 thousandths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 tenth, 9 hundredths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, let me do the 6 on the bottom. 6, 7, 8, 9. And then this 6 for my thousandths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm going to look for groups of 10. There's 6 here, so I need to get 4. And they are just being dragged and traded to the next one. I have 4 dots left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking for a group of 10. There's 9 here. So I'm grabbing another one. And that's being traded to my next line over. And there's 1, 2, 3 dots left. 1, 2, 3. There's only 1 tenth here, so I add that. And then I have 7 dots plus 5 dots is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my answer that I'm left with is 12 ones, 2 tenths, 4 hundredths, 4 thousandths. My answer is 12 and 244 thousandths. Okay, our next one. 7 and 44 hundredths plus 774 thousandths. I have 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundredths, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my next one, I have 7 tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hundredths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 thousandths, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking for groups of 10 now. There's no trading in my thousandths, so it's still 1, 2, 3, 4. But here I have 7 plus 4. Here's a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is wrong with that? Remember, I'm trading this groups of 10. I don't add them straight down. I'm taking 10 hundredths and trading them for 1/10. All I have left to add is this one little dot that I didn't trade. Now here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need to trade some of these. Remember, I'm taking a group of 10, moving it to the next column over. All I have left is this one little guy by himself. And then I have 7 ones up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What I'm left with is 8 ones, 2 tenths, 1 hundredths, 4 thousandths for 8.214, or 8 and 214 thousandths. Alright, what you're going to do now is you're going to work on your problem set. When your problem set is done, then you're going to work on your exit ticket. Your exit ticket is going to be on Socrative. So you'll need to log into Socrative. And remember, the room number is Corbett 6. When your exit ticket's done, then you can work on your math project. Alright, so the order. Work on your problem set, that is number 1. Then work on your exit ticket. Exit ticket is on Socrative. The room number is Corbett 6. And your final thing is to then work on your math project. Alright, good luck today.